Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Xfinity app not updating step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is strong and stable, as app updates require a reliable connection. Then restart the device and try updating the app again from the Google Play Store or your app store. Search for Xfinity and then try updating it again. On Android, go to the settings, apps, Google Play Store, tap storage and clear cache to fix update related issues. Now, if the updates still do not work, uninstall and reinstall the Xfinity app to the latest version. Also, ensure that your device phone software is up to date, as outdated systems can sometimes cause compatibility issues. That's how you fix the Xfinity app not updating. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like.